Yeah, all of you students, please write your sections after the name. Mention your sections.
Good morning, sir.
Have you all written your section? Yeah, Bhavya, mention your section. All those who have not written their sections, write your name, write your sections after your name, edit your names.
Sir, there is a sound.
What sound, beta?
Sir, of sometimes that computer errors. That sound.
This sound.
Yes, sir, this sound.
From where it is coming?
Sir, your side.
My side?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we in this period we will do an activity. It is a combined class of all the three sections. Section A, B, and C. Seven, A, B, and C. I have to take an activity. We will be doing an activity in this period because we cannot continue with the syllabus in this period. In 7th B, we are doing only the first exercise. 7th B, I am not getting period since last 9 days. Okay, so let me tell you what activity we will do in this. In 7B, we are on exercise 15A, and in the other sections, we are on exercise, sorry, in 7C, we are doing 15D, exercise 15D, whereas in 7th A, we are doing exercise 15B, I think, or we have done 15B, something like that.
15 be done.
15B done.
Have to do 15B 7th question.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 7th question is left.
Sir, we will do activity.
Yes, we will do an activity in this period. Let me tell you what activity we have to do. Just wait, I'm giving you the activity, okay? Yeah. So now what you have to do in your copies, everyone, you need a compass, scale, and pencil for this activity. Please take out the material required. Everyone, take out
Sir,
the
Taken out.
Sir, if
other
compass is not there,
compass is not there, then it won't be possible
Taken out.
for us to
Sir, taken out.
do the
sir, 1 minute.
file beta. Who is this?
Sir, 1 minute.
Who is this? Is this your? Is this Priya or someone else? Who was that?
Yeah.
It's Priya. He's attending the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From another device or from the same device?
So from Adasa.
Okay.
Sir, we have to take out fair notebook or rough notebook.
You can do this anywhere in your fair or any rough notebook also, wherever you like. Anywhere you can do. Okay. So this activity, what is the activity? Write down what we are going to verify in this very activity. Note down the statement first. Write down the statement of the activity to verify that to verify that to verify that the sum of any two sides to verify that the sum of any two sides of a triangle to verify that the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. To verify that the sum of any two sides of a triangle, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. This is what you have to verify. Okay. So what do you have to do in this activity?
Sir, please repeat.
To verify that the sum of any two sides of a triangle, to verify that the sum of any two sides of a triangle
Yes, sir.
is greater than the third side. The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. So
Sir,
this
this applies in every triangle, including right triangle.
it applies in all the triangles. कोई भी दो sides का sum हमेशा third side से बड़ा होता है. So it is a universal property applicable in all the triangles. Okay. So what you have to do
Okay,
in this,
sir.
let me tell you what you have to do in this. You take a compass and keep your pencil in the compass, put your pencil in the compass. Now what? You draw a line. Three things you have to do. First, you listen carefully. Don't do it with me. साथ साथ मत करना. पहले you understand what we are going to do. Then I will give you time to do it. Okay. Don't do it together.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
First thing, you draw a line of 4 and 6. Okay. You draw a line of 12 centimeters. Don't draw it right now. First, you understand what to do. First, we will draw a line
Okay,
of
sir.
12 centimeters. बना लिया. Then in your compass, you will take 4 centimeter arc in your compass. 4 centimeter आपको लेना आता है, कैसे लेंगे? Keep a gap of
Yes, sir.
4 centimeters between the
Yes,
needle
sir.
of the compass and the pencil. Pencil और compass की needle में 4 centimeter का gap आप measure करके ले लेंगे with the help of your scale. Okay. Now take 4
Okay, sir.
centimeters and draw an arc like this from point A. A पर रखेंगे compass को and you will make an arc like this. So this arc is at a distance of 4 centimeters. Okay.
Okay, sir.
4 centimeters की distance पर एक arc बना लेंगे. Then what? Take 6 centimeters again. Now you take 6. पहले 4 लिया था. Now you take 6 centimeters. You will make an arc like this from point A. A से इस तरीके से एक arc बना लेंगे. यहाँ ऐसे को compass रखें. Okay. Now you take 6 centimeters in your compass. 6 centimeters and keep your compass at B. Now you make another arc. You will see that the two arcs will never meet. You will see that the two arcs will never meet each other. दोनों आर्क एक दूसरे को मीट नहीं करेंगे. ये वाला हमने कितने डिस्टेंस पे बनाया है? 6 सेंटीमीटर्स पर. Okay. Arcs will never meet. This is the first thing you have to do. First step. Second step, what you have to do? In the
Sir,
second
I think 2 centimeter is the distance between the two arcs.
yes, the in between there will be a gap of 2 centimeters. Okay. So
Yes,
now
sir.
you take
Okay,
10 centimeters, about 10 centimeter का side ले लीजिए. Then again you take an arc of 4 centimeters first from point A. Make an arc at a distance of 4 centimeters. Again मैंने ये 4 centimeters का लिया है. And from point B, you again make an arc at a distance of 6 centimeters. You will see that the two arcs will meet each other at a common point which lies on the line AB. AB line के ऊपर ही meet करेंगे दोनों. Again,
Sir, because the length is 10 centimeter.
Yeah, because the sum of 6 and 4 is 10, इसलिए ऐसा होगा. Now when you in the third case, this is the third and final case. When you make
Second case, we have to make a line of 10 centimeter.
the second, you have to make a line of 10 centimeters. Okay.
Okay.
In the third case, you make a line of 8 centimeters. And then again, you take an arc of 4 centimeters. And then you take an arc of 6 centimeters. You will see that the two arcs will intersect at a particular point, which is not lying on the line AB. AB के ऊपर lie नहीं करेंगे. The arcs will intersect somewhere here. Okay. So this again I have taken 4 and this one again 6 centimeters. So when you join this point, when you get this point, you can name this point as C and join AC and then you join BC. You will see that it will form a triangle. ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why this is happening? Because only in the third case में हमने क्या करा? What we did in the third case, we have taken the length of side AB की जो length ली है, we have taken it less than the sum of the other two sides. 4 और 6 का sum कितना है? 10 है. So if we take the length of AB less than 10, only then it is possible to form a triangle. Only then the arcs will intersect each other. Are you getting my point, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Start
Yes,
making
sir.
it and verified.
Sir, it means that
Sir, done.
When we two sides, it will be smaller than the third side.
Yes. The third side should be smaller than the sum of the other two sides. Okay. This is the meaning.
Sir, done.
Sir, please tell the third one. Repeat how to draw this.
Beta, in the third one, you have to do the same thing. Just make a line of 8 centimeters. Draw a line of 8 centimeter first. Then draw an arc of 4 centimeter from A. And draw an arc of 6 centimeter from B. Point B से 6 centimeter का arc draw करेंगे. You will see that the two arcs will intersect each other. दोनों एक दूसरे को intersect करेंगे. जिस point पर intersect करेंगे, उस point को you will mark at C. Mark the point of intersection as C. फिर AC और BC को join कर देंगे with the help of a scale, and it will
Okay,
form.
sir. I understood.
Keep on doing it. Make a neat and clean figure. After making it, you can post your activity in the group. Take a picture and post it on the group. And name the activity also. The name of the activity is triangle inequality. Sorry, not triangle inequality. It is sum of triangle inequality. Sorry. No, it is the triangle inequality. Sorry, गलती से बोल दिया मैंने. This is the triangle inequality. क्या होती है triangle inequality? Sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. ट्रायंगल इनइक्वालिटी। ये प्रॉपर्टी का नाम क्या है, आपने पढ़ा था ना अभी, 7C वाले पढ़ चुके हैं, ट्रायंगल इनइक्वालिटी। Are we all done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
26.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Have you all posted it in the group also? No? Post it in the group, beta.
Sir, I am on
एक बार-
tablet and I can't post.
अच्छा, you are using it from a tablet.
Yes, sir.
कैमरा नहीं है टैबलेट में?
नो सर, कैमरा उसका खराब हो गया है, चल नहीं रहा है। सर जब भी मैं कैमरा से फोटो खींचता हूँ वो कहता है कि यू आर नॉट एबल टू लोड द कैमरा, प्लीज रीस्टार्ट।
Okay. Maybe because of the memory is full. Maybe because of this reason. Try cleaning your memory hard disk of the tablet.
सर सिर्फ जूम पे ही चल पाता है, इसका
posted on
कैमरा
group.
फोटो नहीं ले पाता।
वो देखना कि मे बी मेमोरी फुल होगी, हार्ड डिस्क उसकी थोड़ी क्लीन करना, देन हो सकता है ओपन हो जाए। मतलब स्टोरेज उसकी थोड़ी खाली करना। ओके, ट्राई डूइंग
ओके सर।
इट।
Sir sent it on the group.
Send on the group. Send it on the group. Very good. Mandeena is there? Sorry? Mandeena is attending maths class. Mandeena beta,
Yes, sir.
how are you, Mandeena?
Sir, I am fine.
Beta, we rarely see you in maths class. Why is this? Why it is like this? Well, it's good to see you in maths class. Nice, welcome.
Done.
Why don't you attend it regularly?
Sir, before the exams for 4 to 5 days, I was out of station. Then in exams, there was no classes of maths.
Okay. So, acha. Okay, so done this activity. Shall we start with a new one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So in this activity, we need a scale.
Sorry, beta.
Sir, in the new activity, we need compass.
You need scale, but you don't need a compass in the next one.
Okay.
You need a protector for the next one.
Sir, I don't have a protector.
Okay. So you have to make 90-degree angles only for that. Okay. So very nice activity, everyone. It is a good one. The next one. You need, all of you, you need a protector, a scale and a pencil for it, and a sheet of paper which you can, scissors, pair of scissors also, or sheet of paper जिसको आप काट वाट सकते हैं. If it is colorful, it will be good. Or if it is plain white, तो भी काम चल जाएगा. Colorful sheet of paper हो तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Plain white sheet of paper है तो भी ठीक है. काम चला लेंगे कैसे भी करके, क्या करना. Okay.
Sir, how many colorful sheets we need?
You need only one.
Any color?
Yeah, any color. Any color.
Okay, sir.
So can we take A4 sheet?
You can take A4 sheet. A4 sheet. If it is not colorful, you can take it. Take a white one, white plain sheet.
Sir, this activity will come in exam.
No, beta, it will not come in exam. It is for your learning. It gives you a good learning experience. It makes you understand the properties.
Okay, sir.
This is.
Is it about Pythagoras?
बच्चे activities करते हैं and they post it in the class groups. They directly get marks. वो जो 20 marks होते हैं ना, 80 plus 20, वो जो 20 marks होते हैं, these 20 marks are based on these activities, attendance,
Yes, sir.
unit test, all these things.
Sir, take on the sheet.
Okay.
Sir,
Wait.
can I send these activities in the evening because of the...
Yes,
Sir, I am ready with the materials.
you can send these activities in the evening also. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
What you have to do. So this is your plain sheet of paper. It could be colorful, it could be white, anything. Let us assume that it is A4 in size. So what
Sir, I have a full sheet.
I will first draw a square of 3 centimeters on one corner of the sheet. ये 3 centimeter side का मैंने एक square इसमें बना लिया. This is a square of 3 centimeter pencil से. दो side तो पहले से ही थी. Corner side दो sides मैंने pencil से draw करके I have made a square of 3 centimeters on one corner. Okay, got it? Square बनाना आता है सबको? Protector से सारे angle 90 के होने चाहिए. Okay.
Yes.
And all the sides also should be of 3 centimeters. So ये square बन गया 3 centimeters का. Then
Sir, but I don't have a protractor.
beta you make 90-degree angles. मतलब directly you can make it without using any protector or something like that. 90 degree तो easy है बनाना. Hit and trial method, तुक्का मारो method से बनाओ फिर और क्या.
So how to make with protector?
Protector में 90 degree बनाना नहीं आता.
Square.
You don't know how to make a 90-degree angle with the help of a protector.
Sir, I don't make to square, not 90 degrees. Sir,
बेटा एक साइड से 90 डिग्री एंगल यहाँ पर बनाओ, एक लाइन ड्रॉ करो 3 सेंटीमीटर की, फिर यहाँ से भी 90 डिग्री बनाओ, यू मेक अनदर साइड ऑफ 3 सेंटीमीटर, दोनों साइड जहाँ पे मीट करेंगे स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. ओके, मेक दिस एंगल ऑफ 90 डिग्रीज, दिस एंगल आल्सो ऑफ 90 डिग्री एंड ड्रॉ two sides of 3 centimeters. It will form a triangle. Sorry, it will form a square. Okay. Now same thing you have to do here. But now you will take the side as 4 centimeters. 4 centimeter की side लेकर के make another square. So first square 3 centimeter, second square 4 centimeter, and the third square of side.
बहुत दिक्कत होगी करने में, करो तुम.
Square of side 5 centimeters. The square of side 5 centimeters. Okay, so these 3 squares you have made. Now you cut out the squares with the help of a scissor. Take a scissor, cut these squares out. So what is so special in these squares? I will tell you what is the special thing. So
please repeat what are you telling? I am disconnected due to network issue.
yeah, listen, I am repeating what I told you. You don't draw it, as I told you earlier also, don't draw it with me, don't do it together. First you listen what you have to do. I will give you time to do it. Okay, पहले आप सुन लो क्या करना है. So first draw a square of 3 centimeter, then draw a square of 4 centimeter, then you draw a square of side 5 centimeter. 3 squares बना लिए. You cut out all the 3 squares with the help of a pair of scissors. Take a pair of scissors, cut out all these squares very neatly. Cut out all the 3 squares very neatly. Neat and clean work. Okay. Then, do you know what is the area of the first square? What is the area of the first one? Area.
Sir, 9 centimeter square.
Square 1. Square 1.
9 centimeter.
3 into 3.
So
Sir, 9 centimeter square.
9 centimeter square. Very good. 3 into 3 is equal to 9 centimeter square. When you find the area of square 2,
16 centimeter square.
16 centimeter.
16 centimeter square, then you find the area of square 3 also.
25 centimeter square.
25 centimeter square.
25
Is square.
centimeter.
And you will see that here, this you have to write down in your copies also. Here, area of square 1 plus area of square 2
is equal to the area of
equal
square
to
3.
area of square 3. स्क्वायर 3 के एरिया के इक्वल आ रहा है इन दोनों का सम। 9 + 16 कितना होता है?
25.
25 होता है 25। अच्छा, बहुत अच्छी बात है। नाउ in your copies you write this first, then in your copies what you have to do, ये squares मैंने कट कर लिया है और मेरे पास ये squares आ गए हैं। मुझे क्या करना है, कॉपी के पेज पर on the page what you have to do, you have to keep the square of 3 centimeter side like this, and then you keep the square of side 4 centimeters like this, and then you keep the square of side 5 centimeter like this. This is 3 centimeter side wala square, this is 4 centimeter side, and this is 5 centimeter side. Okay, you will see that when you keep the squares like this, तीनों squares के corner एक दूसरे को touch करने चाहिए. Okay, all the corners of all 3 squares should touch each other. Then you see that there will be a triangle formed in between. एक triangle बन जाएगा बीच में. Do you know what type of triangle is this? It is a right angle triangle. Automatically this angle will be right angle. Can you give me the reason why this angle is right angle?
Sir, this you have done in
Why it
morning
will be
with
a right
us.
angle triangle? Because it verifies the Pythagoras theorem. Is it verifying the Pythagoras theorem? What is the square of first, area of first triangle?
9.
9 centimeter square.
9 centimeter square, 16 centimeter square, 25 centimeter square. These are the areas. यानी कि square का area का formula क्या होता है? Side square. What is the length of this side? Can you tell me what is the length of this side? It is 3 centimeters. तो 3 का square क्या हुआ? 9. 4 centimeter side, 4 का square कितना होता है? 16. And 5 centimeter side, 5 का square क्या होता है? 25. So 9, 16, 25. So is it verifying, this triangle is verifying the Pythagoras theorem or not? Yes, it is
Yes, sir.
verifying the Pythagoras theorem. That means
Sir.
practically be 90 degrees. So hence it is a verification of Pythagoras theorem. In the end, you can say it verifies the Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, this angle will be 90 degrees angle. Automatically, it will be of 90 degrees. Got it?
Sir, done.
Done. Pasted the pictures also. ये खाली लिखना नहीं है.
Sir, class is over.
Okay, the class is over. So do
Yes,
this.
sir.
You can post
Yes,
it
sir, 2 minutes.
in the evening. You can post it in the evening. Okay.
सर
Thank
कुछ
you.
ऐसा
Okay, sir.
करना है सर, लिख दीजिए।
Okay, sir.
Mitra ji, acha, you have made it. Very good. You have made it with a plain sheet of paper. Good.
Sir, sent it on the group.
Okay, sir.
Beta, you color it, Mishra ji. Color it.
Yes,
sir,
sir.
excuse me, sir.
Write all these things. Yeah.
Sir, sent it on the group.
Very good. Who's this? Aditi.
सर अभी ये सूख रहा है सर ग्लू स्टिक।
किसने सेंड कर दिया ग्रुप पर?
Manreena Rawal.
That can be sent in evening.
Yes, you can send it in the evening also. Manreena has sent it on the group. Okay, I have seen it. Very neat and clean work, Manreena. You can, in the end, you can write it verifies the Pythagoras theorem.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
we are
Mark this
3
angle as
minutes
90
over.
degree. This is very important. Mark this angle is 90 degree. Write down 90 degree angle. Okay.
Sir, it is 11:28 and period is 3 minutes
हाँ
over.
ठीक है बेटा बस end हो गया. You can see Manrina's figure also. I am showing it on my phone.
Sir,
Okay.
can you please send this pic in our class group?
सर मेरी भी ऐसी ही बनी है सर.
Okay. मिश्रा जी ने भी बिल्कुल अच्छे से बनाई है.
सर मैं शाम को सेंड कर दूंगा.
Okay. Thank you all of you. That's it.